In this video, you'll see how to create an AutoAI experiment to perform sentiment analysis on a text file. You can use the text feature engineering to perform text analysis in your experiments. For example, perform basic sentiment analysis to predict an outcome based on text comments. Start in a project and add an asset to that project, a new AutoAI experiment. Just provide a name, description, select a machine learning service, and then create the experiment. When the AutoAI experiment builder displays, you can add the dataset. In this case, the dataset is already stored in the project as a data asset. Select the asset to add to the experiment. Before continuing, preview the data. This dataset has two columns. The first contains the customer's comments, and the second contains either 0 for not satisfied, or 1 or satisfied. This isn't a time series forecast, so select No for that option. Then select the column to predict, which is satisfaction in this example. AutoAI determines that the satisfaction column contains two possible values, making it suitable for a binary classification model, and the positive class is 1 for satisfied. Open the experiment settings if you'd like to customize the experiment. On the data source panel, you'll see some options for the text feature engineering. You can automatically select the text columns, or you can exercise more control by manually specifying the columns for text feature engineering. You can also select how many vectors to create for each column during text feature engineering. A lower number is faster, and a high number is more accurate, but slower. Now run the experiment to view the transformations in progress. When you create an experiment that uses the text analysis feature, the AutoAI process uses the word-to-vec algorithm to transform the text into vectors, then compares the vectors to establish the impact on the prediction column. During the feature engineering phase of the experiment training, 20 features are generated for the text column, using the word-to-vec algorithm. When the experiment completes, you can review the feature engineering results from the pipeline details page. On the feature summary panel, you can review the text transformations. You can see that AutoAI created several text features by applying the algorithm function to the column elements, along with the feature importance showing which features contribute most to your prediction output. You can save this pipeline as a model or as a notebook. The notebook contains the code to see the transformations and visualizations of those transformations. In this case, create a model. Use the link to view the model. Now promote the model to a deployment space. Here are the model details, and from here you can deploy the model. In this case, it will be an online deployment. When that completes, open the deployment. On the Test tab, you can specify one or more comments to analyze. Then click Predict. The first customer is predicted not to be satisfied with the service, and the second customer is predicted to be satisfied with the service. Find more videos in the documentation.